Hey everyone, today we'll be testing out my new whitening toothpaste. This comes in one of the prettiest toothpaste boxes I have ever seen, but let's open it up and check out the paste itself. Here's the toothpaste bottle itself. It's absolutely beautiful. It looks way better than the just kind of drugstore one I have sitting on the counter. So this is really going to help elevate my counter as well as elevate my teeth. Let's get it on a brush and check it out. Enriched with natural particles and nicotinamide essence, this whitening toothpaste quickly eliminates years of coffee, tea, and wine stains for a visibly whiter smile. It's infused with natural mint extract, so the toothpaste effectively stops bad breath, keeping your breath fresh and clean throughout the day. Crafted from carefully selected natural ingredients like xylitol, chondrus crispus extract, and hydrated silica, this cares for your teeth and gums, promoting oral health. So here we are after brushing. I really liked the toothpaste. My breath smells nice and fresh, and I feel like my mouth is completely clean. This is a fluoride-free toothpaste that provides intensive enamel repair and cavity protection, making it suitable for all ages, including those sensitive to fluoride. With nutrients that benefit gums, it can relieve tooth sensitivity, strengthen fragile gums, and prevent bleeding. Its cherry blossom peach fragrance leaves your mouth feeling fresh and fragrant.